Oh, that's running away rather quickly. Will be a boundary. Wafiullah Tarakil needed this as early as possible in the innings. It's come by.
In the first match, yeah, Abdullah Mazay was also part of those bowlers. And here comes the boundary for Wafiullah Tarakil finally. Very short delivery, a loose delivery, and that is beaten out of the ground for a big six by Wafiullah Tarakil. And the ball was totally punished around Kabul National Cricket Stadium.
If the first one was big, look at this one. It's massive. Wafiullah Tarakil. You give him length, Tarakil will tonk the ball a long way. Brilliant.
Once again, cut there. The fielder is there, and yes, well fielding there, but 2 quick runs by Wafiullah Tarakil. What an over this is.
ساتلی وفیولا ترخیل ورسره ګلبدین راغلی تو پچونې ته کټ کېږي دا ځل فیلډر لږ څه لرې دی او نشي رسېدلی څلور منډې غضنفر وخو لرې و څلور منډې ترلاسه کېږي د وفیولا ترخیل له لوري
په آن سایډ باندې ډګر ساتونکی په سرکل کې نشته او دلته سلاک ته ځي فیلډر شته غضنفر او ډالۍ وه او ډالۍ د لاسه خطا کړه قبول نه شوه او څلوریځي باندې بدله شوه.
It's a day where the records have been tumbling. I'm pretty sure the highest score in the Spegiza in the history has been 232 and brings Wafiullah's half centuries as well. Just the 29 deliveries, batting at number 3, and the celebration comes out. Absolutely magnificent. Right throughout the tournament, he's been a stalwart for the Mizanec Knights. Work really, really hard to take these pictures into your houses. That's another good shot. Slow ball into Wafiullah's arc, over long off.
Acting in turn, Farmanullah Safi has smashed a 6. It's Wafiullah Tarakil this time around. Gets width. He misses it, bowls a slow one. Wafiullah Tarakil sits on one knee and smashes this for a maximum. This is his 3rd 6.
Slow ball again. And comes towards us. And I'm going to hold the ball and I missed out.
Yeah, just look at that. It came all the way to the commentary box. You're talking about us being safe?
While giving us the pictures, they got to look for cover as well. In the gap, should be a boundary. One bounce and goes to boundary and brings up the 250. Shot again. Is it in the gap? One bounce to the boundary. That's the 16th boundary of the innings and score moves to 256. Shot again. This probably out of the stadium. No, not really, but big enough. Into the side nets.
21 runs off that over. Look at that. Maximum off the bat of Wafiullah Tarakil. Sends us to the training. The academy side has a statement to make. You gotta practice more to bowl to me, huh? Is it not the kind of day these two are having out in the middle?
I tell you what, with all this carnage of score 4s and 6s, I think the proudest should be the curators and the groundsmen of producing a pitch with so much runs round the wicket. Shot! One-hander. Well, on the ground. And the fielder at deep into wicket certainly did well to save a couple of runs there. Nevertheless, very, very expensive over comes to an end. 23 runs from that. In the end, the Mizanec Knights finishes on a 264 for 2 with 16 boundaries and 20 sixes.